smallest electric bikes offer compact, efficient urban mobility solutions with their lightweight frames and convenient foldable designs, ideal for navigating tight city spaces and ensuring easy storage. Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a look into the list of top 5 smallest electric bikes in the world 2024. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos. Let's begin. Number 5. Honda MotoCompacto. The Honda MotoCompacto is a sleek and compact vehicle designed for urban mobility, priced at $995. This innovative scooter, 490 watts, front-wheel mounted motor, delivering a top speed of 15 miles per hour, accelerating from 0 to 15 miles per hour in just 7 seconds. The MotoCompacto has a maximum range of 12 miles with its 6.8 ampere battery, which can be fully charged in just 3 hours. The scooter's design includes brown leather grips and seat, with an integrated LED display that provides 2 power levels, a speedometer, and battery indicators. Built with an aluminum frame, the MotoCompacto supports riders up to 120 kg. This truly lightweight, foldable motorcycle is perfect for bridging the gap between your car and your doorstep. Number 4. Icoma Tatamel Bike. Introducing the Icoma Tatamel Bike, an innovative electric vehicle that transforms from a suitcase-sized square to a tiny motorcycle in seconds. When folded, it measures just 29 inches in height and length. It features a 600-watt motor with a peak output of 2,000 watts, reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. The 12-ampere lithium-ion battery provides a range of around 19 miles and charges in about 3 hours. Its aluminum frame and 3D-printed panels, which can be swapped to change the bike's look, keep the weight at just 50 kg, supporting riders up to 100 kg. Priced at $4,000, the Icoma Tatamel Bike is a unique and cutting-edge urban mobility solution. Number 3. Sunra Miku Super. The Miku Super stands as a genuine electric motorcycle designed to accommodate 2 passengers. It offers a distinct style to reflect your personality. It combines robust power, functionality, and riding pleasure for any situation. Innovative features like fingerprint unlocking, iconic LED lighting, and a dual-mode motor system ensure agile acceleration and convenience. With front and rear hydraulic shocks, it promises a comfortable ride, while the Ultra HD meter provides instant insights into scooter conditions. Powered by a 3,000-watt Sunra motor, it achieves an impressive range of 135 km per charge and a top speed of 80 km per hour, showcasing Sunrise's dedication to excellence in electric vehicle design and performance. Number 2. Tromox Mino B. Introducing the Tromox Mino B electric motorcycle, designed to revolutionize urban mobility with cutting-edge technology. The Mino B features a mid-drive motor, generating 2,500 watts of power and 110 Nm of torque. It achieves a top speed of 45 km per hour. The bike is equipped with a swappable 31-ampere lithium battery, offering a range of 90 km. Designed for comfort, the Mino B boasts an ergonomic design with a premium-quality carbon steel frame, aluminum components, and high-efficiency 180mm disc brakes. It includes over 20 sensors to monitor vehicle performance. Weighing only 71 kilograms, it is lightweight and easy to handle, accommodating riders up to 100 kilograms. Priced at $3,500. Number 1. Fonz NKD Bike. Meet the Fonz NKD, an Australian-made marvel featuring a lightweight and compact build. The Fonz NKD is powered by an electric belt-driven brushless motor delivering 8,600 watts and up to 210 Nm of torque, reaching a top speed of 100 km per hour. Range is crucial for any electric vehicle, and the Fonz NKD excels with a large-capacity battery, offering up to 67 miles of urban riding on a single charge, which takes just 4 hours. This mid-sized hybrid motorcycle features a regenerative braking system to extend its range. Suitable for riders of all sizes, the Fonz NKD comes with a 2 to 7 years, or 10,000, 50,000 kilometer warranty, starting at $112,000. So there you have it, the top 5 smallest electric bikes in the world 2024. What you think about these mini bikes? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.